Okay, we're going to get this leveled and plumbed. Alright, so I'm going to have to bring this up to the top of here. Okay, like so. Alright, so I'm going to take this and put this on the edge so that it meets that edge. Okay. There we go. Right there level. Okay, I did it. Alright, we got that one set in place. Alright. Now you see I've got this. Alright. And I bring it right to the, just touch it, bam, hold this in place, and catch this other side. Okay, now I can put it on here, check it for plumb. Okay, that's level. Now is it plumb? When we're plumb, we are perfect. And that's how you do that. You take your torpedo level, bring it this across, bring this up just where it touches the bottom, hold it in place, and screw it. Or you can take something that's perfectly flat, lay it on edge, and then bring it up to it. When it touches the bottom, you're good on both sides. Now, all I have to do is tighten this, put this middle one in, and we're set. I didn't pre-drill the wood. Okay, we're keeping it real here. I got to get in a better position to get that. Okay, we just want to keep it real, get in a better position here, get this one in. Okay, time for another screw. I may have to change the location. I think I'm going to do that just in case. I think I was hitting something in the back there. Okay. Yeah, I was definitely hitting probably a nail. Alright, let me check it. For plumb. We are plumb. We are good. Alright, so there you have it, folks. Putting in, leveling up the backer board. Like, subscribe, comment, and share.